Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is Iderman from IAB Colombia report, and the discovery of today it's about animals, specific about dogs, because dogs know how people feel, and a new study shows that dogs can tell if someone feels happy or stressed. Dogs have much better sense of smell than people. Dogs have more than 200 million nerves in the nose, but people have only about 50 million. Dogs also have a larger part of the brain which senses smell. Some studies suggest that dogs know how we feel and when we are sick. We smell differently when we are sick or our emotions change, and dogs can easily recognize the change. Dogs can sense some types of cancer even, and they also know if someone has the coronavirus. So this was the discovery of today. This was Heiderman from IAB Colombia report. Have a nice day.